You're still watching Eat Bulaga at ito na ang first split screen singing contest sa tanghalian, Just Do It!
Narito ang mga Dabbercats judges natin. Sina Dabbercats Patricia, Dabbercats Ruby, and our traffic diva, Aisel.
Hello ladies, simulan na natin ang kantahan with our Just Do It contestant number 1. He's 23 years old, or she is 23 years old, from Negros Occidental, Lian Layumas.
Hi Lian, dito ka sa gitna. Dito, yan.
Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko ng pangalan? Lian?
Lian.
Lian po.
Lian. O, kamusta ka Lian? Bumiyahe ka pa ba galing Iloilo o dito ka based sa Manila ngayon?
I'm actually from Negros Occidental po.
From Negros Occidental.
Yes.
So, lumipad ka para dito sa...
Ay, hindi naman po. I've been here for a couple of months na
Okay.
to pursue my career.
singing career.
singing po.
And how's it going so far?
Right now, I have gigs, regular gigs during weekends, but I'm hoping for a break.
So Luis, nakabali yan o ano?
I have a
may
band
banda?
po, like acoustic band.
Ang ganda ng quality ng speaking voice.
Klaro.
Oo, ganun din kaya ang singing voice.
Malalaman natin
Tingnan
yan.
natin.
Eto, tingnan mo ang iyong magic screen, Lian. Sino ang iyong kaduet?
Uy, Miss Kitchi Nadal, ang lead vocalist ng Mojo Fly.
Good luck, Lian. Remember, just do it.
Basta tandaan mo, nandito lang ako kaya relax lang tayo. Galingan natin. Just do it. Gusto ka bang sabihin? Ba't di mapakali? Hindi matatingin.
Sana'y wag mo na itong palipasin at subukan lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na ibang nararapat sa akin na tunay kong
Wag mong sasabihin na hindi mo na naman itong pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit pagkalayaan mo. Ano ba ang nakakala na ako'y isang bituin na walang sasamahin? Ito ipakita, abot langit ang daig sa mga sinabi mong na ibang nararapat sa akin at tunay kong mamahalin. Wag mong sasabihin na hindi mo na naman ito pag-ibig kong handang ibigay
Nadal. Ano?
Sarap
In
eh.
fairness pag nakapikit ako, hindi ko alam kung sino si Kitchi at sino si Lia.
Right. You know, I don't know how that will play into the judges' hands, no? Kung okay ba yon o hindi. Pero
Pero dito mo makikita yung quality ng mga contestants natin kasi ka-level na nila yung mga professional singers.
you really had to pay attention kung sino yung kumakanta kanina. Kung si Kichi ba o si Lian.
Magkapareho ng quality.
Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan ng judges yan. But Lian, good job, buddy. Ito na, Just Do It contestant number 2, 24 anyos na financial consultant from Bulacan, Hermo Panzales. Hermo, tama nga ba? Alright.
Hermo nga.
Apa.
Ikaw ay isang financial consultant. Ikaw ba kumakanta rin aside from kumakanta ka rin ba professionally on the side?
Sa mga
Bukod
barangay.
sa iyong trabaho?
Apo, sa mga barangay po. Singing contest.
Singing contest.
Kontesero. Ano mga tipong pyesang tinitira mo pag barangay contest, Brad?
Mga ano po, Martin Rivera.
Martin Rivera.
Ibig sabihin ba si Sir Martin Rivera ang gusto mong makaduet sana today?
Opo, opo. Sana
Yeah. Alright. Hermo, relax pare, Hinga naman
Oo
natin.
nga, ganun ka una.
Nakita ko to si Hermo, nag-sign up the cross bago dumating sa stage. Bro, eto, panoorin mo ang magic screen.
Kung sino ang makakaduet mo for today.
Makakaduet mo ang isa sa mga hottest teen idols in the 80s, Raymond Lauchenko.
Good luck, Helmo. Always remember, just do it.
Here's another very, very big hit from the 80s. Ito naman kinanta ni George Benson and it's called Nothing's Gonna Change My Love for You. And kahit na hindi mo ito kapanahunan, I hope you like the song. I hope you enjoy singing it because I really want you to do well in this contest. So good luck and just do it. To live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. That you would seem forever oh so dreamy. Never been love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You want to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You want to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. So easy when love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. And I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way that you are. So instead of you, I'll help you see forever through. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You want to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Change my love for you. You know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You want to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Ought to know by now how much I love you. We changed my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing can change my love for
Maraming salamat, Hermo and Sir Raymond Lauchenko.
Yun eh. Rumilaks eh nung kumanta na eh.
You know naman, my love, how much I love you.
Thank you, Hermo. Good job, buddy. And now,
Third contestant natin kanina pa sumisilip-silip. Hindi ko alam kung excited o
Oo,
kinakabahan.
baka kumukuha ng ano.
Tawagin na natin, 22 years old mula sa Tondo, Manila, Janine Cabaylo.
Hey, Janine! Anong sinisilip-silip mo kanina?
Ano ba yung